Welcome back to the lab. I just wanted to do a really quick video on what I do with these little straws. This is a part of one. And these are straws, I think they're for cake pops or whatever, little craft straws, but they're a pretty heavy cardboard. And I like to play with these a lot. I like the black and white. I think it's a nice accent to some of the stuff that I do. So all I do is, one of the things that I do is I take a pair of scissors. These are huge, but they're nice and sharp, I believe. And there went a piece. It just flew right off. So obviously we can't use that one. So aim it down kind of towards your thing so you don't lose your... Okay. So now I have a piece of a straw. And what I'm going to do is just reach inside and cut it down. These are big scissors, but they're nice and sharp. You need nice sharp scissors for this. So now what I have is a little straw that's got this slice in it. And what I do with these is this. I have some other, this is just a little bag. It's a Wilton candy bag or treat bag. And these are some little clusters that I had laying around. I make them in advance, and so I've got clusters. And so I will take one of these straw bits and I will use them like paper clips. And they work pretty good if you get them started. There you go. See? So, and I think they look cute like that. You can use them in your journals and whatnot for tucking tags, and it stays pretty good. It works good. Probably not as good as a metal paper clip, but pretty good. So so yeah, I mean, you get them in different colors, these little things, and so that's all I wanted to show you because I've been meaning to show you that. But anyway, so very quick little thing. So if you run across little straws like this, play around with them. They're a lot of fun. I'm Bettina Makeley. This is Fairywebmother's Laboratory. Have a wonderful day. Please remember to choose love in all that you do. Bye now.